Everyone's jumping into AI side hustles. It's the new gold rush. But most are losing time, valuable time, money, hard-earned money, or both. It's a common pitfall. Here's why they're failing, and how you can win instead. Let's turn the tables. I've spent hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars testing dozens of AI tools and strategies, all to find what works. I've seen the good, the bad, and the outright scams, the ones you really need to watch out for, so you don't have to. In this video, I'll show you the blueprint to avoid the mistakes and actually build a profitable AI side hustle. Real strategies, real results, no fluff, just the facts. Smash that like button and let's dive in. The AI side hustle boom is everywhere. It's dominating our social media feeds, filling our inboxes, and sparking conversations everywhere we turn. It feels like every other day, there's a new AI tool or platform promising to revolutionize the way we work and make money. Promises of easy money, effortless income streams, and financial freedom with just a few clicks. The allure is strong, and it's easy to get caught up in the excitement. Viral tools, applications that seemingly appear out of nowhere and capture the attention of millions, promising to automate tasks and generate revenue with minimal effort and overnight success. We see the headlines, the testimonials, the seemingly instant transformations, and it's natural to want a piece of that pie. But here's the truth. Most people are losing. They're not seeing the promised returns, the effortless income, or the overnight success. Instead, they're facing frustration, disappointment, and a growing sense of disillusionment because they're chasing hype, not value. They're jumping from one trending tool to the next without a clear strategy or understanding of the underlying principles. I've tested AI writing assistants. I've put them through their paces, evaluating their ability to generate compelling content and streamline the writing process. Art generators, exploring their creative potential and assessing their usefulness for artists and designers. Video tools, examining how they can simplify video editing and production, making it more accessible to a wider audience. Coding helpers, investigating their ability to assist developers in writing code more efficiently and accurately. Chatbots, analyzing their effectiveness in providing customer support and automating communication. Analytics platforms, you name it. I've delved into countless AI tools and platforms across various industries. My goal, cut through the noise, separate the signal from the static, and identify the AI applications that truly deliver on their promises. And find what genuinely works for regular people. Not just for tech experts or those with specialized skills, but for anyone who's looking to leverage AI to improve their lives and businesses. The biggest trap: chasing shiny objects and copycat methods, blindly following the latest trends without understanding the fundamentals that lack substance or longevity. These fleeting trends might offer a temporary boost, but they ultimately fail to deliver lasting results. Most foolproof methods are built on fleeting trends, capitalizing on temporary hype and unsustainable growth, not real business principles. They lack the solid foundation of sound business practices, strategic planning, and a focus on delivering genuine value. The landscape shifts fast. What's hot today is forgotten tomorrow. The digital world is constantly evolving, and what's popular one day can quickly become obsolete the next. The real winners see beyond the hype. They understand that true success comes from building something of lasting value, and focus on providing actual value. They prioritize solving real problems, meeting genuine needs, and creating products or services that make a positive impact. The problem isn't that AI can't make you money. It absolutely can. AI has the potential to unlock incredible opportunities for generating income and building successful businesses. The problem is treating it like a lottery ticket, hoping for a quick win without putting in the necessary effort or strategic thinking. Not a business. It's about viewing AI as a tool to enhance and improve existing business models, or to create entirely new ones based on sound principles. I've seen people pour weeks into AI art, meticulously crafting images and designs, or faceless YouTube channels, creating content without a clear target audience or value proposition, only to find the market saturated, with countless others doing the exact same thing, or their content ignored. Their efforts go unnoticed, their creations unseen, and their dreams of success unfulfilled. These aren't rare failures, they're patterns. They're predictable outcomes of chasing hype and neglecting fundamental business principles. But because I've seen these failures, I've also seen what works. I've witnessed the strategies and approaches that lead to genuine success in the AI space. The difference? It's not about having a PhD or a huge budget. You don't need advanced degrees or vast financial resources to succeed with AI. It's about understanding a few core principles. It's about grasping the fundamental concepts that underpin successful AI ventures. We're going to unpack those, starting with the first big mistake. We'll dissect the most common pitfalls and misconceptions that lead to failure in the AI side hustle world. Ready to stop losing and start winning? Are you prepared to break free from the cycle of hype and start building a sustainable, successful AI venture? Let's break it down. We'll take a step-by-step approach to understanding the core principles of AI success. Here's the first shift you need to make. It's time to change your perspective and approach to AI and embrace a new way of thinking about its potential. The biggest mistake? Chasing hype tools. Every week there's a new game-changing AI tool and everyone jumps on it. These copy-paste hustle scripts have a short lifespan. Maybe a few early adopters win, but the rest get left behind. People focus on the tool, not the fundamentals of value creation. The real opportunity? Build evergreen utility with AI. Use AI to solve real problems, serve a niche, or create something genuinely useful. Move from being a passive user to an active creator of value. Ask, how can this AI help me build something people will need next month, next year? That's how you get ahead of the crowd. Mistake number 2, and this is a big one that I see all the time, making cool stuff with AI, creating these incredible digital masterpieces, but earning absolutely nothing. Zero, zilch, nada. So many talented people create, they pour their heart and soul into these projects. Amazing AI art, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with technology, stories, crafting narratives that captivate and inspire, or apps, developing innovative solutions for everyday problems, but have absolutely no plan whatsoever to monetize any of it. It's a common pitfall. Without a system, a clear strategy in place, it's just a hobby, a fun pastime, not a side hustle, not a business, not something that generates income. The fix? What's the solution to this problem? Set up a simple funnel, a basic sales funnel. Start with free, offer something of value for absolutely nothing, valuable content to attract an audience, draw them in, get them interested. YouTube, create tutorials, share your knowledge, blogs, write articles, share your insights. Social media, engage with your audience, build a community, build trust, establish yourself as an authority, then offer a clear next step. A logical progression, a digital product, an ebook, a template, a service, consulting, coaching, or a subscription. A membership, access to exclusive content. Connect the dots, show them the path, move people from free value, from consuming your free content to paid value, to investing in your premium offerings. Choose 1 or 2 monetization models. Don't try to do everything at once and build your funnel specifically around those chosen models. Don't just hope money magically appears. That's not a strategy. Guide your audience deliberately towards it. If they genuinely love, if they truly appreciate your free AI content, the value you're providing for free, offer them a premium version, an enhanced experience, or a deeper, more personalized service. The fundamental difference between hobbyists and those who actually earn? A clear, simple, well-defined funnel. Monetization isn't just an afterthought. It's not something you tack on at the end. It's an integral part of the plan from day one. It's baked into your strategy. That's precisely how you effectively turn cool AI projects, those amazing creations, into real, sustainable income. The next killer mistake? Expecting instant results. The internet is full of stories about overnight AI millionaires, but it's a myth. When quick riches don't appear, people quit too soon. Even with AI, building anything worthwhile takes time, effort, and patience. AI is a powerful tool, not a magic wand. Let me share. I tested an AI-driven content strategy for a niche site. The setup and testing took days, not hours. Early results? Meh. If I'd expected instant success, I would have quit. But I kept iterating, tweaking, and giving it time. After 2 weeks, things started to click. Traffic grew, income followed. Success came from patience, testing, and refinement, not luck. Every slow start is data, not failure. Patience means learning and improving while you wait for results. Ditch the get-rich-quick mentality. Embrace the builder's mindset. That's how you win with AI. Here's my battle-tested framework. A simple yet powerful system I've developed over years of experimentation and refinement. It's designed to help you navigate the exciting world of AI and turn its potential into real, tangible income. This isn't just theory, it's a practical, step-by-step approach that anyone can follow. Find, test, optimize, monetize, FTOM. It's the core of how we're going to approach building an AI-powered side hustle. Step 1, find. This is where the journey begins, and it's all about identifying opportunities. Identify real problems or needs where AI can make a big impact. Think about areas where AI can automate tasks, improve efficiency, or provide unique solutions. Don't just grab the first tool. Look for pain points or strong desires in a niche. Dig deep, understand your target audience, and find out what keeps them up at night. What are their frustrations? What are they actively searching for solutions to? Step 2, test. Now it's time to put your ideas to the test and see what works. Start small, pilot projects, minimum viable products. Don't invest a ton of time and money up front. Create a basic version of your solution to validate its potential. Validate your idea quickly and cheaply. Use free or low-cost tools to get initial feedback and see if there's real demand for your solution. Get feedback, collect data, and don't be afraid to fail fast. Failure is a learning opportunity. The quicker you identify what's not working, the faster you can pivot and find a winning formula. Step 3, optimize. This is where you take what you've learned and make it even better. Use feedback to refine your AI prompts, processes, and output. Tweak your approach based on the data you've collected and the feedback you've received. Keep improving. Test, learn, optimize, repeat. This is an iterative process. The more you refine your solution, the better it will become. Step 4, monetize. Now for the fun part, turning your AI solution into a revenue stream. Once you've proven value, ramp up monetization. Show your audience the tangible benefits of your solution and why it's worth paying for. Build a clear funnel. Decide on pricing, products, and marketing channels. How will you attract customers? What will you charge? What products or services will you offer? Because you've done the groundwork, your monetization will be far more effective. By following the FTOM framework, you've laid a solid foundation for success. Here's your checklist. Identify 3 problems AI could solve for your audience. Think about specific challenges they face and how AI can provide a solution. Research 2 or 3 AI tools. Explore different options and find the ones that best fit your needs and budget. Test. Create a small pilot project. This could be a simple prototype or a limited scope test with a small group of users. Track 3 key metrics. Focus on the metrics that are most important for measuring the success of your pilot project. Get feedback from 5 users. Talk to your target audience and get their honest opinions about your solution. Optimize. List 3 improvements, implement, and retest. Based on the feedback you receive, identify areas for improvement and make the necessary changes. Monetize. Outline a simple sales funnel. Pick one monetization method. Set a price. Decide how you're going to attract customers, what you're going to charge, and how you're going to deliver value. Follow these steps, be patient, and you'll actually win. Building a successful AI side hustle takes time and effort, but it's definitely achievable. FTOM is your blueprint for a sustainable AI side hustle. It's a proven framework that can help you turn your ideas into reality. Don't skip steps. Each one matters. Each step in the FTOM framework is essential for building a successful AI side hustle. Ready to put it into action? Let's get started. You've got the framework. Now how do you scale? Systematize what works. Document your best AI workflows and prompts. The more you systematize, the easier it is to handle more volume or delegate. Leverage your success. Create templates, teach your method, or automate marketing. Reinvest profits. Upgrade tools, invest in marketing, or hire help. Expand your offerings. Adapt your service to new niches or create new products. Diversify smartly to make your business more resilient. Keep learning. AI evolves fast, so stay curious and connected. Build a brand around your AI expertise. Share wins, gather testimonials, and build trust. Collaborate with others. Partnerships can open new markets and accelerate growth. Never lose sight of the value you provide. Sustainable success comes from genuinely helping people. The future of AI is being built now. Be a part of it. Your empire starts with one win, then you scale. There you have it. The biggest mistakes and my FTOM framework to actually win with AI side hustles. The AI revolution is here. You have the knowledge. Now take action. Drop your AI side hustle ideas or questions in the comments below. If you got value, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Want to launch your AI-powered business in 7 days and you don't know where to start? Check out the AI starter kit that I developed to guide you through step by step. Check the description for details. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.